Hello team, today I'm going to show you how to export the query result into HTML table format and I should be get to our emails. So this stored procedure is very helpful when the customer is not having any monitoring tool and is very sensitive for the billing part. So at the time I will tell you, like when we are having three shifts, in every three shifts and we need to get one database status, and also whenever instance got restarted and we need to get the status automatically. So why if we get that email and everything, so that we are not going to into that servers, and we are not going to add the billing into that, right? So this is how it's all like about, like how the environment it could be. So if you have this kind of environment, or if you have anything like you want to send the query results to the in HTML format and to the email, so at that time we are not like good in HTML and right. If you have that kind of environment and requirement, so this query is very helpful to you. So as of now, my requirement is like I need to send a report about the databases and their online state, either it is online or something like offline or something, whatever it could be. Okay, so I this is stored procedure, and I have added all the comments what does each and every step is going to do, and it I have commented, right? So as of now, this is a stored procedure, and here you just what you need to change here is like, so just you need to change here your profile name, database email ID, and email that what you want to where you want to set. Okay, so remaining all thing is as it is same part. Okay, so I'm just you just execute this stored procedure in the database wherever you want. I'm just executing and it was done. So now the requirement is like I'm taking this sample output. Okay, and I'm just opening new query. For example, so this is the query and everything, right? So here I'm selecting select name, recovery model, description from sys.set databases. Order by is an optional column. Okay, so just click execute here. So it was done. You just come here and I got an email just now. See, adventure work, simple distribution and everything. So like this, okay, again one more email. Okay, yeah, see how good it was. So like this you got emails and everything. Okay, so like you just whatever you need to use this query after installing store browser, and just mention what is the query that you want to select into HTML format and everything, and you just add your email IDs here, and you need to change the profile name. That's it. So if I do put in the like SQL Server agent at every shift for every who are like 1:30, 10:30 and 6:30, so that every database engineer know the status about the databases and what are the requirement it is. So I'm going to give this code and everything in the email. You just execute it and let me know how it could be useful for you. I hope you may like this video. Thank you.